This is the story of a man named Stan.
Hello and welcome to First Cipher. Just like every other cipher, we got 3 screens on the second page with 3 more screens. First we need edge work. So, got 2 in 1. A on the FRQ. A port plate DVI RCA. Port plate RJ. And a port plate empty. Serial of Charlie Bravo 3. Tango Sierra 4. So, for step 1, what you do is you take the, well, first, I should probably write down the screens, that would be helpful. GPZ, CCO, QN, DDL, FWQ, 3 weak flat. Okay, now that I actually have the screens down, let me separate this first and foremost. Then, now what we need to do is, for step 1, we need, the middle page. So, Charlie, Charlie, Oscar, Echo, Quebec, November. And the third screen, Delta, Delta, Lima, Foxtrot, Whiskey, Quebec, called Key 1 and Key 2, respectively. And what we need to do is take Key 1 and first take the letter in the serial in the same position, so first position. Interpret that as a base 36 character, which is just the alphabetic position. If it's a letter, alphabetic position plus 9. So in our case, Charlie, which is 12. Then mod that by 3 and get that number. So just to speed this up, I'll just get every number individually and then I'll start decrypting. So 2, 3, mod 3 is obviously 0. 29, mod 3 is 2. 19, which is 28, mod 3 is 1, and 4 is 1. So we take the first letter, add that in many iterations, and then add a whiskey. So since we start with a 0, we add nothing, and we add a whiskey. Then we add the letters afterward, so Charlie, Charlie. Then for 2, we do the same thing. So this time, since it's 2, we have 2 iterations in whiskey. 0. So whiskey first. 2 again. So echo first. Then for 1, we just do letter, whiskey, letter. So Quebec, whiskey, Quebec. November, whiskey, November. We interpret this block as 3 different columns, and we take the first 3 letters of each column and make 6 trios out of them. So Whiskey, Charlie, Whiskey, Echo, Quebec, November, Charlie, Charlie, Oscar, Echo, Quebec, or Echo, Whiskey, Whiskey, Charlie, Whiskey, Oscar, and Whiskey, Quebec, November. For each letter, we take that alphanumeric position and add them together within the trio, so 23 plus 3 plus 23. Take the bottom screen, add that alphanumerical position, so 4, and subtract 26 until it's within the range of 1 and 26. In this case, 1, it's alpha. We do that until we get a 6-letter word, and it should be an actual word. So 5, 17, 14, 4, plus 26. It's 14, November. 3, 3, 15, 12. Add 26. 7, golf. 5, 23, 23, 6, echo, then 3, 23, 15, and plus that would be 23, Lima, and finally 23, 17, 14, 17, and 19, so Sierra. So our word is angels. Just separate it off so I don't get confused which step is which. And on to step 2. What we need is the encrypted word, so the top screen, the number, so 3, and the word we just made, angels. And what you need to do is take the alphabet, remove all the letters in the keyword, so B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, or G, it shouldn't be there, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And what we need to do is add up the number of port plates and indicators. So 3 plus 1 is 4. If this number is greater than 4, we place the alphabet after keyword 1. 4 is not greater than 4, so we place it before. So we just add this to the end of it. Then we're going to be creating a lattice consisting of 4 rows of letters. If the last digit of the serial is odd, it is not. Rows will have 6, 7, 6, 7. However, our last digit even, so we'll have 7, 6, 7, 6. This means that we will have 7 dashes, then 6 dashes, then 7 dashes, then 6 dashes. To determine what we start with, a space or a dash, if our number of dashes is 7, we start with a dash. If our number is dashes is 6, we start with a space. So since we have 7, 6, 7, 6, we start with a dash and create 7 dashes, then 6, create 6 dashes, 7, 6. And it should look something like this. Then we fill the rows in with our alphabet, also known as alphabet A1. B, C, D, F. I added a G. I am a genius. And finish that off with our word. And now comes the arguably hardest part of the cipher. So what we need to do is first take the number, mod it by 7, then take the first encrypted letter, so echo, find it, go that many times left, so that would be 1, 2, 3 left, divide it by 7, in this case that would be that number, drop the decimals and move that many places down right, but since it's 0 we just stay. First thing is alpha, add it to the keyword, or well, key number, do it again, so mod 7, 4 times left from golf, 1, 2, 3, 4, go down right 0 times, Lima, add that, So 16. Mod by 7. Move that many letters left. So Bravo, move that many letters left. Divide by 7. Move that many times down right. Goes to Zulu. Add that. So that'd be what? 42. Yep. Mod by 7. 0. So find golf. And we're going 6 times down right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goes to Romeo. Take 18. Add it. 60. Mod by 7. 4. 4 left from Papa. 1, 2, 3, 4. And divide by 7. And this is part I wanted to show. So we go 1 down right. And it wraps first and foremost. So you can see we can't go down right anymore. So it wraps. Goes down right. But there's a thing right here. When you move left or right off the edge, go 2 spaces down instead of 1. So we go down right once, go down right again. It usually would end you off here, but we're going down 1 more, so it'd end you off here. So 1 more time, that'd be 1. Actually 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'd be whiskey. Add that. 83. Mod by 7, if I would type correctly. 6 left from, that would be Zulu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go, divide by 7, actually. And go 11. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, or, well, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Romeo. That's step 2 done. For step 3, we need the encrypted string we just made, the keyword from step 1, the middle and bottom screens of page 2, so weak and flat. And what we need to do is separate weak and flat, also known as keyword 2 and keyword 3 respectively. And we will create 2 alphabets, A2 and A3, using key 2 and keyword 2 and keyword 3. What we need to do is remove all duplicates from both, and then create the alphabet. So this one would be B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. And this one would be B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we have to place it either before or after. How do we know that? Well, for A2, and this is, I should read this first. If X is even, place the alphabet after the keyword, otherwise it's before. And for A2, X is equal to the first digit of the serial, which is Charlie. Turn that into a letter, or, well, turn that into a number, I should say. And that is odd, meaning we're going to place it before. So, take this, place it before, and that's our modified keyword. And then for A3, X is equal to the amount of batteries. We have 2 batteries, so we're placing it after. So we just delete the space. And what you need to do next is separate them. So just do that. And now we need to place 13 dashes above and below this keyword. And the way we know how to start with a space or a dash is if the first letter of keyword 1 has an even position in the alphabet. First letter of keyword 1 is alpha, alpha is odd in the alphabet. So we start with a space instead. Normally we would start with a dash if it was even. So let me just fill that in. And now you take alphabet 2, A2, and fill it in these dashes. Yeah. Oh wait, I added a K. Give me a second to fix that. P. Hopefully I did not make any other mistakes. Okay. Come on. And there we go. Now what you need to do is find the encrypted letter, or well, first, I should say first, we need a number key. If the last letter of keyword 1 comes before N in the alphabet, Sierra does not come before N. So our key number is actually 621926. So we find the first letter we need to do decrypt, so alpha, and we go left Y letters, where Y is equal to the digit in the number key. So 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go into the center. We find that letter. So we find India above or below. Go immediately back into the center. And go right. A number of spaces equal to the alphabet position of the letter in keyword 1. So alpha, which is 1. That's our first decrypted letter, which is November. And we do the same thing again. This time for Lima, go left, go left, yep, 2 letters. Then go down, find Mike. Down again. Go right 14 times. So that would be 1, 2, 3, or well, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Echo. Then do it again. Golf. Go left once. Down. Find echo. Up. Go right. Go right. That would be 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lima. Okay. Let me make sure I did that right because Lima seems a bit misplaced. So Lima. Okay, 1 from. This would be. Oh, I probably used the wrong letter. That's why. Zulu would be our actual letter we're looking for. So Zulu. Where is Zulu? Go left 1 time. Yeah, I used the wrong letter. Sorry about that. Okay. That's can happen sometimes. Okay, instead we're using Zulu. So we're going left once. Go in. November. Right. That'd be 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or, well, no, I'm doing that completely wrong. Having a brain malfunction. Find November, go down, go right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alpha. Okay. That looks a bit better. Then we do the same thing. Romeo. This time we go left 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up, India, back into center. Go find, actually, we already did that, so we go right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Romeo. Then go find whiskey. Go left a number of 2 times. Go up, or November. Find November. Go down. Go right 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And final time, find Romeo. Where's Romeo? Go left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go up, Papa. Go down back into center. Go right 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And our word is nearer. Submit that into the module. That's not what I typed, but okay. Hit U to submit.
This was
And
exactly the way, right now, that things were meant to happen.
messed up a few times, so I hope you get the idea, and see you later.